Hello everyone, welcome to Hasna's Spark Map. In this video, I will show you how to use Microsoft Whiteboard for interactive teaching. For that, first let us open our Microsoft Teams. Let's come around here the left side where you will see whiteboard.chat for edu. Please click on it. You will be navigating to a page where you can see start teaching as well as start collaborating. Let's first explore on start collaborating. Once you reach start collaborating, you and your students will be on the same board. You can invite your students via QR code or the link or even the classroom code. So once your students join, you can see them as well as you on the same board. You can start teaching using pen. If you want to draw, you can use these facilities. Even you can text. Even you have math editor, math equation solver, so it's best for the math teachers as well. You have eraser, you have the upload facilities. Even you can select, you can move, resize, so there are many facilities over here. Please utilize it. And you can ask your students to highlight the points, or they can fill in the blanks, or even they can label the parts, or even they can solve along with you. This side you can see the My Objects where widgets are available, like you can add the link, even you can use AR image, calculators are available, graphing calculator is available, clock is available. If you click on the clock, you will get the timer as well. ChatGPT assistant is also available here. If you go with the gizmos, you can select from this image what you need, math symbols or shapes or stickers. I keep it emojis and stickers, so when my student does a good work, I'll click happy and I will give here. If they are doing some mistakes, I'll just go for a little crying symbol to alert them you are going wrong. So it's up to you to decide how you can create your own class effectively. In addition, you have autocorrect the board. You can have AI autocorrect as well. You can open the class boards. You can lock the objects. If you don't want your students to write it on that moment, you can go for locking the object so that students won't be able to write anything on the board. This is all about collaborative board. Now, if you go back to the teaching board, that's what I prefer, and my students really love doing via the board. Start teaching. Here the specialty is we can assign the students individual board. The minute you click invite code, students will get their own boards, individual boards, which will be reflected under the grid view. You will be able to see in small grids like this. In a page, you will be able to see 9 grids. This is the first page. You can see here 1. Once you click full screen, you will be able to see 9 boards. As there are no one joined, I am able to see only 3. Otherwise, yes, you can see 9 boards. Now I will show you a sample board. So you can join via manage boards, where you can see the boards created by you under the folder session. For example, if you create one of the board, and you can go ahead with the view class. Here you can see the grid view. Using grid view, you can see your students' individual board. If you notice the teacher board, I have assigned a question. And if you look at it, the full screen, at a time you can see 9 boards. So once you see here, only one girl started her work. So like this, you can monitor your students real time. It's a wonderful platform because students will be alert, the teacher is monitoring. Also, you can have a same feeling that you are in the real classroom. Here also the same facilities are available as I explained in Start Collaborating board, where the pen tool, eraser, text tool, upload facilities, and even the reactions. In case if you find the boards are duplicated accidentally, you are able to delete the board as well. For that, let's open the classroom like this. Suppose if you notice any of the girls have duplicated the board, you click on the three dots and you can delete the board. Also, if you find some of the students don't need to react at that point, you can have the lock board facility. Or during the correction time also, you can lock the board so that students will not edit their work before you correct. Yeah, that's all in this particular content, whiteboard.chat. If you have any queries, please don't forget to comment below. Catch you in the next video. Until then, bye-bye.